Welcome to Online WHS. In this short video, I will highlight how Online WHS can help protect you from safety legislation non-compliance, but also make it easy and practical to do so. In the manufacturing industry, you have a wide range of dangerous activities. At the moment, you may be using a paper-based system or no systems at all. This is exposing your business to safety legislation. If one of your workers are injured, it not only could lead to loss of production, but also expose your business to litigation. That's where having a system such as Online WHS would not only assist an employer in providing a safe workplace, but also protect an employer by providing a system that details and highlights their policies, their procedures, completed checklists, inductions and consultations, as well as many other features to show compliance. And it's easy to use. Imagine scanning a QR code on your machinery and taken directly to the pre-start safety checklist on your mobile phone. And once completed, the system automatically saving the completed checklist in your system's log to show compliance. Now that's easy. The Online WHS system helps make employees' duty of care with work health and safety obligations a little easier, with over 40 registers interlinking to create one easy-to-use system. But don't be frightened. Not only does it have the easy-to-use QR codes, it also has a step-by-step helper to show you how to use every single form and every single register in the system. To learn more about how Online WHS can help protect you from safety legislation non-compliance, please contact us. Online WHS. It's more than just a safety system. It's your complete integrated management system.